Welcome to my channel. My name is Flex Razi. We're here to talk about 4 reasons you are not getting view on your YouTube channel. For a start, I'm a new YouTuber and I got my 50 followers in just 2 days. Yeah, you heard me, 2 days. Because of what? The right and the proper way of what? Posting on YouTube. First, let's go straight to the point. First, the first reason you are not getting view is because you keep posting video and deleting. Yeah, you keep posting video and deleting. Instead, when you post, you want to change anything, click on edit and re-edit the video. Stop deleting your videos, stop deleting your shorts, stop deleting your YouTube videos. Yes, that's one of the reasons you are not getting views. Second, thumbnails. Thumbnail, yeah. Your thumbnail is whack. Try and design a good thumbnail for yourself. You can go to one of my YouTube videos. I told you guys, or I taught you guys how to create a perfect and a beautiful thumbnail using ChatGPT. Yeah, go to my video. You can watch on that. Your thumbnail is not good. It's very dull and it's not flashy. It's not enticing. It doesn't bring people to your attention. Your thumbnail is supposed to be attentive. Like when people want to pass, they'll be like, let me watch this video. Because thumbnails matters. The beauty of your YouTube channel, that's a thumbnail. It draws attention. Yeah, that's the second reason. The third reason, your hashtag, yeah. Your hashtag, you have to put a proper hashtag. Fine, you can use AI. ChatGPT can create a perfect hashtag related to your topic you are explaining to people or you are teaching people on YouTube. You can use AI. Yes. Why the fourth one? Very proper. You have to make sure you put in the best. But for me, I prefer to use AI to create that because AI will give you the top best. That's called the title. The title and the description. Your title and your description must match what you are posting on YouTube. When you have a bad title, it goes to another direction, it gives you to another direction of where your topic, because your topic is not related to what your title is not related to what you are teaching or what you said or what you are educating people on your YouTube channel. Try and get a perfect title. AI, ChatGPT can create you a perfect title that matches your channel or that matches the topic you are posting or that matches the video you are posting. So these are my four reasons or the fourth reason or the 4 reasons why your YouTube is not getting enough view. You can watch my channel, my post on how to create a perfect thumbnail using your ChatGPT, and I will also show you guys how to upload a video properly. I will make sure I start from the beginning to the end so you guys can see how to properly upload a YouTube video. Thank you so much and thanks for watching. Share to someone that needs it and don't give up. Keep posting. Consistency is the game. Thank you.